Hey everyone, so welcome to another video, and I'm sure you are just cuddling on the couch and enjoying this holiday break and planning your New Year's parties or what you're doing for New Year's. And I thought this is the perfect time to share with y'all my office. I finally have an office. Well, my husband and I, we've always lived in one bedrooms. We now have 2 bedrooms, and I took the 2nd bedroom as an office. And so I'm gonna share with y'all little clips of how we put it together, and then just a quick little office tour. I hope you guys enjoy it, what the artwork in this office means to me. And I really wanted this space to be very calm, a lot of natural light. And the big reason why it's my office and not my husband's office is I do a lot of stuff like this. I'm in front of the camera all the time, not just doing YouTube videos, but doing workshops and things along those lines. So my camera is like pretty much on 80% of the time of the week, and I just need a place where I can close the door. So here's my office. So we are getting the office in order. I'm not feeling very well today. The move has got me a little sick, but this is gonna be my office and then eventually a guest room. So we're just getting everything situated. Nick's getting my desk. So let's get rid of some of these boxes. The room is coming together. My desk is almost there. Just gotta get the monitors. But yeah, almost there, guys. Almost there. And again, excuse my appearance and the way I sound. I'm still okay, everyone, welcome to my office. At first, I was going to clean it and make sure that it looked super pretty, but then I was like, let's be honest, that is not going to happen anytime soon. So this is how it is normally. So let me turn on a light here so I have a little bit more light. But this is how it looks with natural light. And let's just start from over here where I spend most of my day. This is my desk, 2 monitors and my laptop. So this desk has been with me for years. It is glass and I just love it. It's so beautiful. It's so big, so it holds a lot. And one of the reasons why I originally got it was it has no drawers, so it eliminates clutter. Now, these 2 monitors came because of the pandemic. Now, let's see here. I have my planner, there we go, that I received from my brother. And I like it because it's pink and it's like really just super colorful. My phone. This is my 2nd external hard drive. So I needed some videos off of here that I can make a reel. And then these stickers go with this planner. But that planner is all the way good till the new year. And you're going to hear background noise because it's LA and it's noisy. My pink chair. Again, I got this because of the pandemic. I sort of adopted pink as my signature color. This is my laptop bag. It's usually not there. I got this last week when we were at Disneyland. Some hand lotion that I actually won in a Loteria game because my mom has prizes and I just keep it there so that way my hands stay not so dry. Alright, now let's go through the artwork. I have some artwork pieces here. All right, so this art piece I got at, like, so I see my reflection. I got at a friend of mine owned a coffee shop and art gallery in Oakland for a time, and the art gallery is called Sanchez Contemporary, and she would have art shows every month with local artists, and they could sell their work. And I saw this print. It's one of the few pieces I could afford, to be completely honest. And what I liked about it is a lot of the women here, you know, they had that chola look. I don't know, it really meant something to me because I felt like a lot of my cousins, when they were younger, adopted this look. And it just reminded me that, like, even though the world at the time, that people that look like this were like ignorant or not kind, and now everyone's adopting this look. But I just told my husband, I'm like, most of my babysitters look like this. And I just want something to honor that. Balcony, so I have my own little balcony here. All right, let's go to this artwork piece. Alt Summit last year, last event I went to, 2020, it was right before the pandemic, literally a week. I got back home a week before the pandemic, all the closures. It was in March, and they had an artist there. So someone took your photo and drew you, and I thought, you know, pretty cool. So yeah, this piece, I need to center it a little bit more, was something my youngest sister got me for Christmas. I want to say, not last year, but 2 years ago. And she just picked different art pieces from an Etsy shop that really, you know, meant a lot to her. And it's very much her. It's like skeletons. My sister really likes things a little bit more spooky than I do, but she thought it was really cool because I had the background was like books, like text from books. And it's two of us, so it's supposed to be Nick and I with a heart. And it just reminds me of my youngest sister. All right. Speaking of sisters, I have this sign that my mom got me years ago. It's on one of my mannequins. Here is one of my bookshelves. So I want to share with you all the pieces here on this shelf. This was actually made years ago. Nick and I went to one of those places where you can make like candles and art stuff. And this is something he made. And we found the word laugh. And he picked these two colors. And it came out really good. And we've had it in our apartments for the last 5-6 years. And I like it. Back here is a New Yorker cover, and it's framed. And we actually bought that in New York off the street from a street vendor. And it was just a really pretty photo. It's very autumny. It's very New York. It has like the yellow and the orange. New York is one of my favorite cities, and I do love the New Yorker, so it's there. A candle that I have not lit. Hold on. Let me focus here. Yeah. Okay, so here's a candle I haven't lit because it's too pretty. And I don't want to ruin it. But it's there. A card that I recently got from one of my good friends. She lives in Texas. And let me open it up. And it's just very sweet. She's just very happy that we moved to LA, and she's very thankful for our friendship. And because we met at San Francisco State, we lived together for like 6 months. And, you know, since then we've been friends, and we used to live so close to each other, like pretty much like a 9-10 minute drive. And then she moved to Dallas, and now I live in LA. So we're still friends. Behind that, I got this done at Nick's company 2 years ago. They had a cartoonist there, and they did a print, so just grabbed it. That was really cute. And then this is a card I bought from when I went to the Alt Summit last year. They had vendors, and I thought it was really pretty. I love all the flowers in this woman's hair, so picked it up. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do you have your degrees on the wall? Because I know some people don't. I just need a place for everything, and I just felt like the degree had to go somewhere. So, and I worked really hard for it. So that's my undergrad degree. Now let me share with you all the next artwork. Okay, so this piece and this piece were created by the same artist, Rebecca Rocha, and she is in Seattle. And she created this artwork for Epifania. And I really just love this one. Represents explore and traveling. And she just really is great at making sure like all of her artwork is very Latina and Latinx. And this one represents read. So I bought like 2 pieces. And I figured those are the 2 that represent me the most. And they're hung up in my office. This is a piece that my husband bought from Etsy. He said it reminded him of me. So it's all these different amazing women from fiction and literature. Mainly from movies, it looks like. So that's in the office. A mirror. Someone thought this was a workout mirror the other day. And I'm like, I am not that person. It's just a mirror. I got this mirror actually when I used to go to vendor events and I wanted people to try out things, try on the sweaters that we were selling and make sure it looks good on them. Now, let's go to the floor. All right, as you guys can see, this is a rug. You can hear it. And it's made by natural dyes. And we got this when we were in Oaxaca, Mexico. And we actually saw the person making these rugs. He didn't make this one specifically while we were there. He had a lot of rugs out. They already made. And it was this tiny village. And I call it village. Like it's a lot of... I honestly didn't think people lived there. It looked a little abandoned. And you open the door to his home. And he has this amazing outside workshop. Him and 2 other people and, this young kid just making these amazing rugs and using natural dyes. And so I had to buy one. And I'm so happy we have my office now because we went to Oaxaca in March. And our previous apartment, I just couldn't figure out a place to put this because I didn't want people to step on it. Because it's too pretty and our previous apartment was a little small. And I also just didn't want to hang it because it didn't go with like the theme of our living room. So now with my office, it's just here. So no one will step on it, but people will be able to see it when they come in. On to the next bookshelf, number 2. I do need another bookshelf, but because I have a problem with books. This bookshelf tends to have more of like fiction, nonfiction. And that bookshelf has more young adult and more POC writers. I sort of divided them up that way. Probably shouldn't have. Anyways, okay, so this is my stuffed animal. And it's an owl, and it's fluffy, and it's white. And it's just something that got me a while ago. And it's just, I don't know. I just really like it. I cuddle with it from time to time. Nick made me this for Halloween. Don't judge. It's cute. It's not his best artwork, but it's really cute. So it's there. Alright. His undergrad degree. We cannot find his grad degree, but there's mine. We gotta order his and hang it up. But again, it's a place to put things. Now let's go to the bathroom. There's nothing exciting there, but this is a second bedroom, so it does have a bathroom. We just got this. It's really heavy. It's like ceramic. And I like the color, and I felt like it went really well with the theme of the office. And then the garbage can is that same color too. And then we just have a lavender candle, not calendar here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a good sized bathroom. We don't have a lot to it yet. We'll probably add some more things as we have more guests. Oh, another art piece. This is something my friend Melanie got me. And again, I thought it went really well with this bathroom because it goes well with the theme of the bedroom. And I like the yellow. Everyone knows yellow is one of my favorite colors. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that office tour. I hope you were able to learn a little bit more about me, maybe get inspiration of how you want to do your office. You don't need an office to do great work. For the last 35 years of my life, I've always had a desk either in my bedroom or in the living room, you know, especially working from home for the last 5 years. So you really can just do with like a desk and make 2 desks in one little corner of your apartment or of your house or just in your bedroom. But if you're able to have an office, it's pretty cool, but don't feel like you need this big of a space to do great work. You could do great work from the corner of your bedroom. All right, hope you all are having a wonderful holiday break, and we will see you in 2022. Bye.